Hello friends, this is the second tutorial for the Bootstrap theme, and till right now we have declared h1. I'm just going to remove it because we want a navigation bar in it. So I am just going to change the title first, aim as to do app. This is the tip and trick I am going to give you for making your template in no time. Come to examples. Here you can see that examples. Click on this or whatever you like the template. Click on that template and design your template according to your style. Press Ctrl U for the code. Here is the code I have. I'm going to copy it and remove this and paste it over here. So I have the code pasted on my Visual Studio. I remove all the unnecessary things which I do not want in my project, so I remove it all. Okay, this is the container, and I do not these buttons. Control S for save. Now test it out how it appear. Yeah, it appear like this. It means that the navigation bar is ready to use. Okay guys, and we are going to make some another thing, such as we want just type a grayish type container in which to do app is written and some text is written. So we want it, and we are going to declare a div having a class name called as container, another div called class name as row. Here another div class name call lg12. In container we have to write these two classes most of the time. So one is row and the other one is declaring the breakpoints, call lg12 or call sm6, and call sm6 makes 6 plus 6 12, so it will break when the small screen will appear. Now it will show that when the large screen will appear, it will take the whole screen as call lg12. So we tested right now, and declare a class called Jumbotron. There is a class in Bootstrap called Jumbotron, and test it out as hello Bootstrap. Now you can see that this hello Bootstrap is written over here. There is no margin as we have in template to do app. We have to create a margin over here. For this there is a class, extra class written in Bootstrap. We have to remove this, so we have a margin automatically. We can see that there is a margin automatically appear because we remove a class, extra class from Bootstrap. Navbar fixed top, we have to remove this, and there is a margin appear on the Bootstrap template which we are creating. So this is the second tutorial. On the third tutorial I am going to move you further for describing these two parts. Thank you very much guys, hope you like it.